Hey guys, so I know it's been a super long time since we've done any of the Motorhome Mondays, and albeit I was working on another motorhome, which you may have seen in a previous episode. I was working on my buddy Lauren, his Sprinter van. He asked me to fit the inside out with all the RV stuff, all the cabinetry, the bed, the electrical, the plumbing, all that sort of stuff. He's got another, I don't think he's got a YouTube, but on Instagram, it is Rolling with Van Grotto. And I can leave a link. I will leave a link in the description down below for that build and all the stuff going on over there. Finally, I have been able to get Huckleberry, my RV, here home, and I got him up on jack stands now. Today, as the first episode, sorry, I'm already dirty and finished, but I got one of the two fuel cells back in. I know if any of you guys have been following along, you've seen the teardown and where I was working on it at the original place, at the owner's place. Now I am the new owner, and finally, and we're getting everything settled there, so all is good. But I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know I haven't forgot about you all. Everyone that is waiting on pins and needles for the next episode. But here is this, and keep an eye out for the next Motorhome Mondays. I will be much more diligent on getting the new episodes up and going. So I apologize again and again for the delay. But now we are actually rounding the turn, actually, and instead of being on the teardown side, now it's on the build side. I've gotten everything pretty much cleaned up. Since we last had an episode, I have got the engine running, but again, the fuel tanks weren't in, so it wasn't hooked up. So next will be that and getting it running, driving, mechanical, and then we can start the build out of the actual, cabinetry and the beds and the bathroom and all that sort of stuff. So keep a lookout for the next episode. Thank you all so much for watching and being patient, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.